is how it is, you know. It is coming to that time of the year. You see now, if you go, what is cooking up, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I'm straight out of Canada. How are you guys doing? You guys are having a beautiful morning. Yes, let's hope you're having a beautiful morning by the grace of God, guys. You know, we have to put God in what we're doing first, guys. God have to be the one who lead and we follow, guys. God have to be the head. Yes, and we follow him in everything. We have to give him thanks, guys. We have to give him praise because God is the greatest. No one is like him, God. Guys, no one is like him, guys. Yes. So this morning, as you see me, I'm in my backyard, guys. I just come out this morning and I'm going to pick some tomatoes from my tree. I told you guys that I'm going to take you guys with me as long as I am doing something in my backyard. I am going to take you guys with me. So this morning, I'm going to pick some more ripe tomato, guys, because my daughter is going to take some at work to work with for her friend. So I'm gonna pick some fresh one for her to get. I have a lot in the house, but I don't want to give her those. I'm gonna give her some fresh one from the garden. If I don't get a lot of ripe one, then I will put some more. But yes, guys, that is how it is. You have to learn how to give, guys. You have to learn how to do good, how to share, how to be there for one another. Yes, I mean sometimes they hurt you or they think go, but listen, never shake off yourself, man. Nobody hold that in your heart, because guys, if we stop and holding grudge and holding hatreds and bad mind and all these things in your heart, yes, so guys, yes, I don't have no space to hold in it. It also make me sick, and it will make me sick and make me not look good and make things just about when we let it go, man, let it go and let God have his way. Put it in the Lord hand, man, and let it go. Free up yourself, man, happy yourself, man, and give God thanks every day as you go along. Come along with me. tomato them hiding in the bush, guys, because the tomato trees are so bushy. They are hiding. What is a lot? This is to give my daughter to give her friends. These are nice, they're fresh, and they just have to put in something and they get riper. See, this is almost maybe what? That maybe was a tree, 1 tree pound of tomato, or so. I think so, maybe. Stay tuned, guys. So, guys, I'm gonna put some of this. I tell you, I don't know is what that, but I know it's some vegetables, so I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna put some meat today, freshly cooking today again. Today I'm going to do some fresh cooking, guys. So I'm going to take some of this vegetable from my garden. I don't really know it, but if my husband tastes it, just pick it and taste it and say it is so nice. So I'm going to make some vegetable. You look, guys, for all of any of my subscribers who are my viewers who know this one, just type it in my comment section and let me know what it is. But guys, I thought it was broccoli, but I don't know. It doesn't. It have some little things coming up in there like what broccoli would bring up, but I don't know if it is it. I don't know. I'm not sure. You kind of have some little things like, oh, broccoli would grow, but I don't know if it is broccoli, guys. But I'm gonna steam it with some of my. I'm gonna do some goat meat today, so I'm gonna steam this, guys. Guys, this is it. Yeah. Yes, guys, bush is good for you to drink. I'm gonna drink this one again. I said I was gonna make some sirsi because I have sirsi from Jamaica, but I'm gonna do this one, guys. This is fresh and oh, smells so nice. Wow, it's amazing, guys. So these are my picking today. Yes, these are what I'm getting from my garden today, guys. So now I'm gonna put some water. So stay tuned. I'm gonna put some. Oh, make I show you. This is what freshly out of my garden, guys. Fresh mint, tomatoes, and that one I don't know, but it is some vegetable. So I'm gonna steam it and see how, make some vegetable with it and see how it tastes, guys. And I'll let you know. Stay tuned. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys, if you like my content. Them, I tell you that I'm going to take you in my backyard with me as long as I have things to pick and to do in here in my garden. You know, guys, as I tell you the other day, I make a video to say the winter is coming back shortly because you can see the leaf them falling now. Yes, the leaves them start to fall so much now, and you know, even the evening part them start to get a little bit cool. Sometime in the morning my husband say get but yes, guys, guess what, it is coming back to that time, so we have to just know that that is how it is, you know. It is coming to that time of the year when you know the weather so started to change again. But you know what, we're grateful for the summertime and we give God thanks. God cannot please us in everything, and we have to learn how to give him thanks in the good and the bad. So yes, stay tuned, guys. I was gonna pick a cucumber, guys, but it looks like you can get some more. I don't want them get hard, like when you cut them and they're soft. That one maybe I give it next week, or maybe in the next week I cut it. I pick it. We're coming out of the one that we plant a couple root because we plant them so thick, guys, because we never have nowhere. So that is two, I believe, three right there. So you see what is only cast the worm to do them, but this one, like, it starts to fall a little bit. I don't know if we get anything out of them. And this one, that one, like, you wanna come back and fall, guys. I don't know what we'll see. We are give thanks to them. See, we're in a grieve God. We are give thanks. We have to learn how to give thanks, guys, when it's small and when it gets big. And guys, look how this pepper tree again bearing. This one bear a lot, even though they bear small, but they bear, and see, it is bearing so much. It has two big one right now and some a lot putting out on it. A lot of young one. And the callaloo is going with himself, guys. The callaloo is going with himself. The callaloo said, guess what, girl, may I give you one more bundle before this winter again. And I'm telling you guys, this callaloo is amazing. This callaloo, guys, is a miracle callaloo, yes. Miracle. And my parsley are gone, yeah. I'm going to cut down some of it, trim up the parsley around it and use it. And see, guys, my peppers coming up bigger. My pepper them coming up big on the tree. I have like 3 big ones on it. And so much more coming up. This one, guys, this one load. If you can see them, this one is loaded. It is loaded, guys. Let's hope they get big before the warmth, the cold time come back. And see, guys, cucumber growing even under there. You can see the little cucumber them coming up. Cucumber, guys, cucumber everywhere coming. Cucumber, guys, on the fence. Some of these don't look like they're gonna be smaller than the first set. Cucumber out the road there, guys, out on the street there, and the hedge just like bearing. Look over there, going over to the neighbor, bearing same way. Yeah. And the pepper tree, them are going with this hot peppers. This one have a lot of hot pepper, and it is still blossoming, having a lot of young one on it. And that one, this one only bear one big one, and then now it's having a lot of young ones on it. And that one over there, I think I did see a big one, but when I go, I don't know, I don't see it. So it look like, I don't know, but now it have a lot of young one on it. And them are going with themselves, guys. I don't know if you remember in the video when I show you this baby single aloe vera. We call it single by between Jamaica aloe vera. I bought a little bit of something in a little pan. Look, you know the little pan when they just catch them into. And look at this is my grandson, them guys, when they kicking the ball, them break up. But this big one here, I cut piece to do my hair the other day. Yes, I cut piece from that fat one to do my hair. But my grandson, them break off, kick the ball on it and break off some of these. But they are catching up. I can see they're putting out a lot of, yeah. Guys, I'm telling you, this aloe vera, it is thriving so much, guys. I wish I did have more space, guys. But you know what? I'm grateful for what I have, yes. Yeah, we have to be grateful for what we have. Yes. I am so grateful and thankful to God for every single thing, guys. Yes, I'm giving thanks. I'm learning how to give thanks, guys. Every time I'm looking and if I see any cucumber, because true over there is so thick with the bush, I cannot see what's over there. But anyway, what I see, I picked already, and then there's a lot more coming up. But these are still young, even though they're not gonna grow big as the other one, them big as I showed you guys before. These ones are gonna be a little bit more. That one's gonna be big, but these gonna look not like they're not gonna so big. The one out on the fence outside there, and them coming up so much, putting out on this one and this one too, putting out a lot of more, and under there and a lot of young ones. So. But guys, I'm giving thanks. I get a lot of things out of it. You may look and see this little backyard is so small, but look, I get a lot. I reap a lot of things out of this. I'm so grateful to God, guys. I reap scallion and onion. I reap pepper, sweet pepper, tomato. Like, I can't even talk about tomato, guys. Too much. I'm not really saying it's too much, though, but I'm telling you, hot pepper, guys. Cucumber, oh my god, I give a lot of cucumber. Squash, I get one. It bear a lot, guys, but the one of them suck out all the other ones, so the other one are dry up now. So I don't think nothing more gonna come. I see it blossoming still, so I said I'm not cutting it down. I'm waiting down more before I cut them out, because I'm gonna cut them out and make the soil stay till God Fairy Life next year again. We're gonna plant more. The callaloo, I'm gonna dig out all those roots because I'm killing this white one. I don't want them to even spring back for next year, so I'm gonna dig them out sooner or later. I'm just waiting until when time this one is ready. I'm gonna cut this one, and then I'm gonna dig out the root of those and throw away the other green ones. I can leave the root if they want to spring, and then we can buy some fresh one and put in between them, so make they come. Yeah, but that's what we're gonna be planning to do, guys. This parsley, I didn't want to kill it. I don't know if I can put it inside somewhere, maybe at the doorway, get two basin, put it into, make it look nice at the right at the slide door there. I don't know if I can do it. I don't really want to kill it. I want to cut out like the bigger ones and let the younger ones them keep on springing. I don't know if I can keep it. I'm gonna see what is going on and thing. And yes, that's it. And then sooner or later I'm gonna see what these cabbages going on with, if I can get a little bit of vegetable out of it. But I'm grateful, guys. I'm grateful. Yes, it's amazing just to see how beautiful and how, you know, the things them just come so nice. And I'm grateful to God. I don't know if anybody would do like me, but for me, I'm very much thankful, guys, and grateful to God for everything. The thing doesn't matter if it is not that big or a lot, but we have to start from somewhere, guys. I'm grateful for all of my subscribers that I have. I'm grateful for all you beautiful people, my viewers. I love you guys. I'm grateful. I'm thankful. I don't take it for granted, guys. No, I always say there's a lot of platform there, a lot of platform on YouTube and all over the other pages. But if you come on my pages, so if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I am grateful, guys. You never must look at it. You never must look at it. So that's why I learned how to be grateful and to do it as how God doing it until when He take me where He want to take me. So guys, have a wonderful rest of the morning, and maybe I'm gonna put something else on it later on when I'm cooking the goat. I'm gonna do some goat meat today. Guys, my family love the goat meat and they love chicken. Well, I tell you, for me, I love chicken and fish. And I was gonna do some fish, but when my daughter don't eat fish, she eat it, but she don't like it. So she's going to work. I don't want to do the fish, so I'm gonna do some goat that she can carry with some maybe rice, yeah. And yes, that's what I'm gonna do now. So I'm gonna season up the meat right now. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you when I'm seasoning up the goat, guys. Come along with me. So okay, guys, I'm back. Yeah. So now I'm gonna wash my mint to make some tea. Like I have to open the leaves and make sure no worm is on them. That's me. And I'm gonna dry it in my kettle and then I'll wash it back. Yeah. So I boil it a little and make it, then leave it in the pot, make it dry till I have ready for it. So now I'm going to do some goat meat, guys. I'm gonna cook some goat today. Yeah. I'll learn to do something for me. Say hello right now. can't find the place of the sun. No, that would do it. I don't want to put it to guys. Yes, guys, and see. Goat, guys, goat meat for tonight. That's what I tell you, you need to one on my phone. Nobody listening to Miss Phyllis.
Yeah, but just give me some time because my food will on the road again.
I still want to get something to you guys. Let us try to we can learn to do it. Okay guys, I put my vinegar now, so I'm gonna rinse it off now again. And there is freshly washed now guys. So now this is the blend season I always tell you guys about. This one have the ginger, pimento seed, onion, scallion, thyme, hot pepper, ginger, and what else again? Oh, my parsley and my basil. Yes, all of these guys blend into this one with like 2 hot pepper. So it makes it easy for me guys. I keep it in the fridge. If you do it, you have to keep it in the fridge because you want it to keep fresh. So for me, easy. I wash my meat now, and now I'm gonna just pour some into it. Then I put my Maggi season because I only use that with the Maggi season with a little bit of salt and my black pepper, and I'm good to go. My soya sauce, and because I'm not doing any curry goat, I'm gonna do brown stew goat, guys. I don't know. I realized that the brown stew goat is so nice. I even think it's nicer than the curry goat. I maybe we're getting tired of the curry goat now. So like since I'm doing this brown stew goat for them, they love it so much. So today's brown stew goat again, guys. Then I'm going to put my Maggi all-purpose, this one. And I'm going to put a little bit of salt. If you don't know how to do it, guys, don't do it like me because you will salt it. Because this season, they have salt, so you can't put too much. Then I'm going to put my black pepper. And then I'm going to use some soy sauce. Yeah, because I'm not brown. I'm telling you, I'm not going to curry the goat, so I'm going to do brown stew goat. Yeah. Whoops! The goat always dropping. Dropping, I'm not throwing it away. The goat drop it, don't want to season. It don't want to season, guys, but it's not going anywhere. It's gonna stay right back here. So, guys, let me show you. If I give you a zoom up. If I give you a little bit of what I'm... You see now? If you go to work and you're coming in from work and so tired, you don't want to go and cut up a lot of onions, scallion, sweet pepper, garlic. Oh, I never tell you about the garlic. I put garlic in it, guys. A lot of garlic have to go in there. Yes, garlic is in everything, and your ginger. Yes, so you don't have to come and cut up your ginger, your garlic, your onion, sweet pepper. Well, I have to cut some sweet pepper because I don't put that one in there yet. So whenever time the goat is almost cooking, then I put my my colorful sweet peppers in there. Yeah, but right now this have everything else in there away from the sweet pepper and the hot pepper. I have some hot pepper in there, but that's not hot enough because I just put a few in the season to blend. But yes, guys, this is it. You see, I'm gonna put it down a little bit now to marinate, and then yes, and this is all that I use, guys. See, my Maggi season, my salt, my black pepper, my soya sauce, and that one is the freshly blend. I blended it yesterday, and I get most of the thing. I get some of the onion from my garden, but that wasn't enough, so I put a lot more onion in there. Yes, and I put my parsley from my backyard, my parsley from my backyard, scallion. I put more scallion still because I didn't get a lot, so I put more. From some of them from my backyard, guys, and then I put my pimento out of Jamaica, and yes, my ginger, my garlic can't left out, guys. You have to put them nothing in it to make them marinate and taste nice whenever time you cook it. So yes, guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna give you the finishing product of it. Okay, guys, the water is cooking up, guys. That's beautiful. Beautiful goat meat, guys. This is rice with mixed vegetables, coconut milk, guys, cooking down. So guys, this is the brown stew goat that I am doing, guys. I put some carrot and spinach. When I say spinach, guys, dumpling, a little spinach dumpling them in there, and sweet pepper, and my tomatoes and pepper, hot pepper. And I'm gonna mix it up now, guys, and let it just go down to cook down a little bit. Yes, because it's almost finished. I'm gonna put some ketchup in there and a little bit of soy sauce again to get nice color. So stay tuned, guys. I'll come back in the finishing touch. And guys, this is my rice today. Yes, this is my rice with mixed vegetables. Yes. And this is the one I cut from my backyard, guys. I steam it. So now I'm gonna tell you how everything tastes later on, guys, in my video. Stay tuned.